Hello, today we're going to be adding integers. Integers are any positive or negative whole number. Now, starting off with smaller numbers, we're going to be using two colored counters to help us add these integers together. You'll see in the top left corner, I have a negative piece and a positive piece that I'm going to use as my counters. So let's look at our first example, 4 plus 3. Now 4 plus 3 is very simple, but using our two colored counters, we're going to start with 4 positive pieces. Then we're going to add 3 positive pieces to it. Because all of our pieces are exactly the same, we're going to count them up, and that gives us a total of 7 positive pieces. Now our next example, we have negative 4 plus 3. So we're starting with negative 4, then we're adding 3 to that. Now anytime you have a positive piece and a negative piece together, they're going to cancel each other out. Then we're left with just one negative piece. So negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Our third example, we have negative 4 plus negative 3. So we start with our negative 4 pieces, then we're going to add 3 negative pieces to that. Again, all of our pieces are exactly the same, so we're going to count them up, and that gives us a total of negative 7 pieces. Our fourth example, 4 plus negative 3. We'll start with 4 positive pieces, and then we're going to add 3 negative pieces. Remember, anytime you have a positive piece and a negative piece, they cancel each other out. That leaves us with positive 1. So 4 plus negative 3 is positive 1. Now two colored counters are easy to use when you have small numbers like these. But let's see what it looks like when we have larger numbers. With our first example, we have 31 plus 6. Now nobody wants to draw out 31 pieces and add 6 pieces to that. So we're going to use a little bit of a different technique. When the signs are the same, meaning both numbers are positive or both numbers are negative, we're going to add the numbers together and keep the sign. That one's pretty straightforward. This is where it gets tricky. When the signs are the opposite, meaning we have one positive number and one negative number, we're going to subtract the two numbers, but keep the sign of the larger number. Let's get started with our examples. Starting with 31 plus 6. They're both positive numbers. All we need to do is add them together, and we get 37. With our second example right below it, negative 17 plus negative 4, once again, they are both negative numbers, so we're going to add them together and keep the sign. So 17 plus 4 is 21, and we keep the negative sign. Now our other two examples are a little bit different. They have opposite signs, negative 22 plus 16. So we're going to subtract the two numbers and keep the sign of the larger number. In this first example, 22 is bigger than 16, so we're going to keep the negative sign in our final answer. Now we're going to subtract the two numbers. 22 minus 16 gives us 6, and in our final answer, remember we had to keep the negative sign, so our final answer is negative 6. That is negative 22 plus 16 equals negative 6. Now our last example here, we have 43 plus negative 13. Once again, we're going to keep the sign of the larger number at the end. 43 is bigger than 13, so our final answer will be positive. Now we need to take those two numbers and subtract them. So 43 minus 13 gives us 30, And our final answer is going to remain positive. So 43 plus negative 13 equals positive 30. Now, if you need any extra help with integer operations, go check out our other videos on subtracting integers, multiplying and dividing integers, and even asking more questions about adding integers. Don't forget to give us a follow and subscribe.